Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can adjust volume on your AOC monitor. So what you'll need to do is basically check right here on the AOC monitor. As you can see, this is my 24G1 WG4. So make sure it is at 100%. And to adjust the volume on monitor itself, what you can do is use the menu. So use menu button. These are two arrows that we are going to be using to change the volume, and this is exit button. So let's press on the menu button. As you can see, menu should pop up. Then you'll need to find an OSD setup with the arrows, as you can see, like this. After that, press on menu button again and use your arrows to go onto volume. Then just right here on the volume, press menu button again, and with the arrows you will be able to change a volume, as you can see, like this. And after that, to confirm it, press on the menu button and 2 times on exit button. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you change volume on your AOC monitor. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.